Here's a retake of this Schindler 5400 AP MRL Traction lift at David Jones at Westfield Chermside. These buttons are green D8 series. Not sure about the indicator. Here it is. Go to 3. Cab view. There's our friend. You are at 3. Listen to that chime. There's the car park. We'll go to B1. I also checked the toilets out here. They're all back to wall, in-wall Caromas. The oldest toilet is the Caroma Trident one, which I'm not bothered to do. Here we are at P1, listen to that chime again. Go to we'll have a look out the door. Wow. You can see the floors going by. Stopping at 2. Going up. Going up.
Yeah, okay, all good. Thanks. See you, mate. See you, mate. Up. Thank you.
Alright, we'll go to 1 and hop out. Have a look at the door. That's so good. You are at 1 and that's it.